me student. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. And now I'm so glad to greet you. Student, do you know when our country announced independence? Great, you are right. Our country announced its independence on August 17 years old on 1945. But do you know the figures behind our country independence? Not yet. Okay, don't worry because I'd like to tell you about the figures behind the independence of Indonesia. So now please listen to me. Students, we can know that the proclamation of Indonesia independence gave a very important meaning to the Indonesian people, and there are eight national figures who made it religion. Those are Mr. Sukarno, Muhammad Hatta, Ahmad Subarjo, Admiral Tadashi Maida, Sukarni, Fatmawati, Sayuti Malik, and B.M. Dia. Then the first figure is Mr. Sukarno. E.R. Sukarno is one of the people who contribute in establishing the Republic of Indonesia as a sovereign state. Bung Karno was born in Blitar as Java on June years on 1101 and died in Jakarta on June 20 years on the 1917. Bung Karno drafted the text of the proclamation at the House Admiral Tadashi Maida with Bung Hatta, Ahmad Subarjo. He signed the proclamation text on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Hatta. Bung Karno read out the proclamation of Indonesia independence at his residence at Pegangsaan Timur Street, No. 56, Jakarta. Drs. Muhammad Hatta or Bung Hatta was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on August 12 years on 1902, died in Jakarta on March 14 on 1980 at the age of 77. Hatta drafted the proclamation with Bung Karno and Mr. Ahmad Subarjo. He participated in signing the text of the proclamation on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Karno. Muhammad Hatta is Indonesian first vice president. Ahmad Subarjo Jojo Adi Suherjo was born in Karawang, West Java on March 23, 1896 and died on December 14 years 1978 at the age of 85 years. He is Indonesian First Minister of Foreign Affairs. Ahmad Subarjo is one of the figures from the old group who played a role in preparing the proclamation of Indonesia independence. Ahmad Subarjo participated in compiling the content of the text of the proclamation at the House of Admiral Tadashi Maida with Bung Karno and Bung Hatta. Admiral Tadashi Maida was a high-ranking officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia to prepare the draft of Proclamation of Indonesia Independence by inviting those important figures to his house and let them use it for a very important activity. At her house it was gathered national figures that had great contributions. Even though his Japanese He is willing to help Indonesia out of sympathy for the Indonesia people. Sukarni was born in Blitar, Java on July 14 years on 1916. He died in Jakarta on May 7 years on 1917 at the age of 54. His full name is Sukarni Kartodiwirjo. Sukarno was a youth leader and a hero who was persistent against the invaders. Sukarno proposed Bung Karno and Hatta to seek the proclamation text on behalf of the Indonesia. Fatmawati was real name is Fatima, was Sukarno's wife. She was born in Bengkulu in 1923 and died in Jakarta in 1980. She is buried in the Horace Cemetery in Kalibata, Jakarta. Fatmawati saved the Saka Merah Putih flag which was raised at the proclamation of Indonesian independence at Pegangsaan Timur Street, No. 56, Jakarta. The text of the proclamation of independence was typed by Sayuti Malik. Sayuti Malik is youth leader who was also very important in the proclamation of Indonesian independence. Sayuti Malik typed the script of proclamation to perfect it from Bung Karno handwriting. The text of the proclamation on originally handwritten by Sukarno, then typed by Sayuti Malik to make it look neat. The original text was then drawn on the trace. When the young Minwo was present at the preparation of Indonesian independence with BM Dia that took the original manuscript from the trace came and kept it. He considered that the text her history. The original manuscript were kept by BM Dia for 46 years 9 months. 49 then were later returned to the Indonesian nation. He brought the original text of the Indonesian Independence Proclamation on today's morning, 14 May 1992 at the 3 AM, and handed it over to President Suharto. The manuscript was then kept by the National Archive on Suharto recommendation. BM Dia decision to keep the original manuscript was very precious. Therefore, the entire Indonesian have been able to enjoy the original text of the proclamation and have learned a lot from what happened at that time. Okay, students, that's all of 8 national figures behind the independence of Indonesia. They are national heroes that we shall respect and remember. We as young generation of Indonesia shall keep the independence by rising devoted feeling to our country. And that's all for like today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivated. See you next time week. Bye bye.